Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the final video in the technical writing process series. We started off the series with the first video that talked about pre-writing and working with subject matter experts and self-studying the topic you're writing for. Then the second video talked about audience analysis. The third video talked about how to write the first draft of the technical document. And this final video is about how to edit that draft. So I created this technical editing checklist that I use when I'm working on a technical writing project, just to make sure that I cover all the phases of technical editing for my document. So an effective technical document is correct, complete, concise, clear, and consistent. So to make sure that all the information I've included in the document is technically accurate, I make sure that I try out the documented procedure and verify that it produces the documented outcome. I also verify that the steps are in the correct sequence and that the technical concepts, explanations, procedures are clearly worded and are not confusing or ambiguous. Then once I make sure that the information is technically accurate, then I move on to the next phase, which is making sure that the document provides just the right amount of information. That is, it provides the information that the user needs to accomplish their goal and nothing more. And a few ways to do that is to see if the document includes a procedure, and if it does, then make sure all the required steps are documented. Also, all the prerequisites or setup requirements are documented, and also provide links to external references that can help the users find more information or give them instructions on what to do next. Then I move on to making sure that the information is clear. So there are different levels of clarity in a document. The first level is the structure of the document, which means making sure that the flow of the information is logical. The second level is the paragraphs. Is the text broken into logical paragraphs? The third is the sentence structure. Are there any complex or awkwardly constructed sentences which can be made better by rewording or restructuring? And the fourth check is language, checking for grammatical accuracy, wordiness, technical jargon, and so on. The final step is to make sure that my document follows our style guide, making sure that it sticks to our guidelines about headings and subheadings and bullet lists, capitalization, voice, tone, and terminology. We have our own style guide for Cockroach Labs, but if you need more inspiration to come up with your own style guide, I have listed a few of my favorite ones in this document. If you have subscribed to my newsletter, you would already have received an email with a link to this checklist. If you don't see that email in your inbox, check your spam folder. And if you haven't subscribed to my newsletter yet, you can find the link in the description box below. So that's it for this series. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.